Hello everyone, welcome to Python class where today we are going to learn about Python strings. Strings. What are strings? In Python, strings are arrays of bytes representing Unicode characters. Since Python does not have character data types, a single character is simply a string with length I. Square brackets can be used to access the elements of the string. Creation of a string. In Python, strings can be created using single quotes or double quotes or triple quotes. For example, here in my string, firstly, I have given welcome to the world in single quotes and I get my option output as welcome to the world. Secondly, I want to print it's a unicorn with double quotes. I get my output as it's a unicorn. Thirdly, I use the input with triple quotes. I get my output as I am a Roman and I live in Rome. Accessing characters in Python. In Python, individual characters of a string can be accessed by using the method of indexing. This process allows negative address reference to access address from the back of the string. For example, I have given my input as foo of 6 letters. When we check with arrays, we see it as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. But when we apply the method of indexing, we see it as minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, and minus 1. Let's see a small example. Here in my string I have given as foo process. Firstly, I want to initialize the string, so my output is foo process. Nextly, I want to print the first character of the string in the given string. Then when I print it, I get it as F, which is correct. Next, I want to print the last character of the string. I get it as S, which is correct as well. String slicing. To access a range of characters in the string in the method of slicing is used. This is strongly done in the string using the string slicing operator. My example, I have given it as let's rock and roll. I want to print the initial string as it is, so I print it. Next, I want to remove slice few characters from the above given string. So I do it as slicing characters from 3 to 12. So my characters are sliced from the third after the third till the 12th. So I get my output as SROCKANDR. Deleting or updating from a string. In Python, updation or deletion of a string is not allowed. This process will cause an error because it does not support and it is not supported in Python strings. For example, I give my input as hello, I am a Roman and I print the initial string. After that, I want to delete one part of the string where here I get an error saying that the object does not support item assignment. Formatting of a string. In strings in Python, it can be formatted with the use of format method. This method is very versatile and powerful tool for formation of strings. It uses curly brackets as placeholders which can hold arguments. My example here, string 1, here there are three curly brackets. Dot format where there are three strings or which I want the output of, where it is music in single quotes, comma for in single quotes, comma life. They here in these single curly brackets I have not given any value, so I get my output as music for life. But in the second example, I have given places, that is the 1, the 0 and 2. Dot format chocolates in single quotes where this is the 0th place, comma R in single quotes where is the first place, comma delicious in second place in single quotes. So I want it in the first place, the 0th place, and the second place in this positional order. So I get my output as "Are chocolates delicious?" where R is in the first place, chocolates in the 0th place, and delicious in the second place. Looping. Looping through a string. As it is arranged, we can loop through the characters in a string. In this example, we use for loop. My example is for eggs in strawberry. When I print, I get the value and the output. Some of the common string methods in Python strings are upper and lower, where it shows the uppercase and the lowercase, capitalize, where it capitalizes the letter, starts with, ends with, the values with start and end, strip, find, where it finds the string, split, where it splits the string, join, where it merges a following given string. Thank you.